Hello everyone, this is the Sassy Lass bringing you another Cricut tutorial. Tonight I'll be showing you how to make adult coloring card gift set and using up your Ipsy bags you've been saving. I decided to go with mandalas or mandalas, however you say it, because they're very pretty, very generic, and would be good for coloring. I just chose a few that I really liked and thought would be great for coloring in with colored pencils or a thin marker, and inserted those. I sized and aligned them to fit how and where on the card I wanted them to. This did take a while because I just could not quite make up my mind how exactly I wanted it to look. I accidentally deleted the video, but I did add thanks and hello on some of the cards in a writing style that could be colored in as well. I lined my two cards up side by side in a way that I had hoped would make it easy for me to lay the cardstock out correctly. I lined my cardstock up against the 9-inch mark like I had on the mat on the computer. This didn't quite solve my problem though. I'm going to have to do a little bit of playing around with this. I got my pen loaded and ready to go. Be sure that it clicks in and close your clamp. I sat back and watched the Cricut magic at this point. It did take quite a while since this was a pretty intricate illustration. So here they are, all done. I did go ahead and do a little bit of coloring on them just to show how beautiful the colored pencil looks on craft cardstock. And good news for Ipsy bag subscribers, they fit perfectly, so throw in a few of those and you've got a great gift set. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.